Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. Here I start with our next zodiac sign, that is Cancer. Cancer 2024. Let's see. Cancerians are feeling very emotional right now. Anybody who's trying to approach them, they're going to tell them off. Go. I'm not interested. I will not listen. Work wise, mentally, they're going through. They don't know where to go. They don't know where to go, and somewhere work is also very conflicting right now. They feel they're struggling a lot. Okay. Uh, there are a lot of big challenges that has to be overcome. But before I go ahead in the reading, please press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your family and friends after that, after you see the reading, if you like it. Okay, so let's see what we have in the near future. Near future is a lot of hard work, money is coming, so don't worry, Cancerians. Okay, first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. Okay, let's see what first week is bringing for you of October. First week is bringing you lot of pressure at work. This pressure is going to take a toll on you. Okay, you won't be able to balance your home life and your work life. One of the areas is going to be, suffering. So lot of pressure at work for sure in the month of October, first week. Second week, all the work you have done will give you fruits. You will People will praise you. You'll come out as a star. You're going to be the winner. You're going to be the best. Okay. Third week, again, a lot of balancing is required. Here you are going to balance out your money, your work, and your family. Also things that were not fair to, there's so many times that we don't get our due. Okay, that might frustrate you, that people are not being fair to me, or my boss is not fair to me, or I should have got a promotion but I didn't, and so on. That feeling or that type of situation will come. But yes, everything else, if I see money wise and your family wise, relationship wise, things are fine, things are balanced. However, the other side of coin is that you will feel frustrated because you should have been promoted or you should have been in a certain place, but you are not. And that frustration will come to you. Okay. Fourth week is all about the wheel changing for you, balancing for you. You will be meeting some female who will help you heal and change the situation. This could be a nurse, this could be a healer, somebody like that. Up till now, you were very closed, you were not opening up to anybody, but now you will start opening up also. So I think October is not a bad month for you, Cancerians. Yes, there is a lot of work pressure, but there is also appreciation. And there's also, you winning the game. But yes, sometimes you feel very frustrated because you feel that something that I deserve, I'm not getting up till now. Right? For that, you have to be patient. You will get your due, but it'll take time. Let's see what we have in your relationship area. So let me first check your blocks. What blocks are there? Yes, blocks are that there is a challenging time where you really want to move forward but you can't. Okay. Uh, wow, there's a lot of chakra blockage. I feel you're not ready to look at the brighter side of life. When doors are opening for you everywhere, you're not ready to see. You still want to be in your sadness, and that I do not get pure love. I don't attract real people in my life. I only attract people who want to use me, that kind of a thing. For people who are married, they need to communicate because the throat chakra is majorly blocked. They need to communicate with their partner that I want this clearly. Way of saying is important. You cannot just lash out at the other person. You just have to sit and have a normal talk, conversation. Secondly, I feel your sacral chakra is blocked. That is why you are not receiving. Your past has taken a toll over you, and all your emotions are gathered in one place, and you really need to work on that. Okay. I feel that after you do all this, you will actually change your relationship will become better, and your partner will also learn to receive from you and also share her side of story, and things will get better. For people who are single, they are not ready to see. Their third eye is totally blocked. Probably they are feeling depressed. They are getting headaches. They want the change in their life. They want a commitment, marriage. They want to be together for a long time in their life. But because of that, this state of mind, they are living in denial. They don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. But you actually want it. Okay, so yes, work on your third eye. Stop being in denial. Be ready to see the truth about yourself and about others, right? The minute you do that, this is going to change. So in October, this change is required and this change is going to come, right? Let's see what we have as Ganeshji's messages. Empowerment, yes. You need to empower yourself to see a lot of yellow color. Yellow is all about personal power. Yellow is all about Jupiter. Jupiter's expansion. Okay. And the more you empower yourself, the more you're expanding as it expanding in your energy and expanding in your work and your love area and your relationship area. And Ganesh is there to help you. Right, so that's all for today. Please email me and message me for paid appointments only, and Instagram and Facebook. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.